Gas muna tayo. Service pa lang, panalo na oh.
Eh, loko tong kutsi na to dyan pa.
Dyan pa eh. Naku. Naku naman. Yung best player namin oh. Mali yung... Ayun. Ito
Doon na siya sumabay.
nagbibideo tayo eh.
Nare-realize ko.
Si Mark Jason lang yung
Si Clarice
connection
may
natin.
number ng Clarice. Kaya sabi ko, nanalo si Mark.
Paano ka nagka-number kay Clarice?
Nung bago siya mag-ano.
Ayos na.
Shout out sa mga Oragon, mga Bicol mga Oragon.
Alam na. Join!
25 yan? Ayos na! 25 yan?
Okay, introduce yourself.
Tito Reggie! Rex!
Okay, palapakan mo sa neutral dyan. And once again, another foreign girl. From Laban, Green Arthur. Oh, that's what we like. That's what we like. You see, girl? Alam na, hihigitan mo yan. Hihigitan mo yan. Okay. Okay, first pose, first picture. Tinaya lang. First picture po. From UP Fighting Maroon! Ay, teka, ay nako, ay doon lang pala. Ala ko, may sorpresa rin eh. Okay, introduce, ma.
Hello everyone, Clarissa here, representing Terminal 2, UP Maroon.
Okay, girls, please. One round, then back to your place. Ito Hindi kami ang may tala. Okay. The team that I will call first is the runner-up, and the team that I will call the last will be our best muse. Oh, one round pa lang! One round mo nag-request sa mga team! Di na lang kaya ni Kumi yung additional round kasi naka-budget lang yung isang round. And our first runner-up, thank you very much, Green Lantern, our best muse from Lasal, Green Archer, palakpakan! Ayan ha, miss there. Oh ha. Once again, palakpakan naman dyan. Our best muse. Nasa
Kasya tayo!
19 seconds left. Ready? Carrero. Foul. Gustavo. Foul. 2-point throw for Mr. Carrero. Uses the ball. Correct. 8-6, sorry. Second throw.
Kapag sa labas!
2 out of 2.